Now, please juice us. 8 spins. Oh, not at the end, but still we'll take it. Oh, what is going on, ROG209? Coming after this stake.com video. This is going to be a stream highlight. I'm going to be uploading these every day now. If you can't make it to the stream, make sure to check out the YouTube channel. We'll post updates every day, and also make it to the stream. We have a lot of fun there. And if you're not signed up with Stake yet, you could sign up, use the code RAW, and you'll get a reload for $3 a day for 7 days. Just have to sign up using the code, and then get in my Discord and give me your Stake user.
We're in like a football huddle right before the game.
I've seen Doom. Yeah. I've seen Doom's biggest wins be fucking on 13 spins, and we got 14 spins. So like, obviously, we're about to land first reel right here, right?
And it's gonna be better, yeah, exactly. Because you know whose house this is?
The dog's house. Their dog house.
The dog's house.
Yeah, they need more houses. It's a dog's house, so put dog's houses because this is the dog's house. Thank you.
Yeah, how about we land a house on the second reel now, please?
The fact you said it that many times in one sentence.
In the fucking dog house. And then we go back to the dog's house. And we get full lines.
Stockton slap.
Houses.
Nate Diaz. 6 more spins and potential, but we got to get that first reel. It's Tizo was right there too. There, bruh.
Oh, we got a little tower defense going
Another
on.
one right there too. Again, right there.
Come on, just put one on the second reel, like anywhere.
Where's the second?
Oh, there it is. There it is.
Oh, blue dogs. Full on blue dogs.
We only get one spin
Drop
now.
the whole reel, blue dogs, bitch.
All we need is one good spin.
Last spin.
Yeah, Heather, if you want to like make any memes or whatever out of that, go hit up power. Tell them you got access to power. All right, here we go. Bam.
Got 10s all the way.
Whatever. We take it over 100x. Boom, beautiful.
Never complaining about 100x's on a bonus hunt.
Never in my life. Will I. Houses.
There's one. Had to force it in.
Hey, we'll take it. Drop more.
2 more right here.
Okay. Yes. Come on.
Middle house.
Mill house.
Bonus. I like that one. Flooshed. Oh, it's right there.
Dogs.
It's Chewy. Kind a little like Chewy. Maybe these two mixed is Chewy.
Oh, I hate when you can see the house landing
Yeah.
below where it looks like it's.
Oh my god.
Like
hey, juicer,
hey,
juicer. That's average. That's average.
Yeah,
that's average. That's average. We like it. Very good. Please put one on the front house though. Right there, right there. Oh man, don't blue ball me here. Just blue dog me. Oh, it didn't blue ball me. Oh, now blue dog me. Come on now, please juice us. 8 spins. Oh, not at the end, but still we'll take it. 279. Come on, keep them coming. Baby, don't blue ball me. Just blue dog me. Hugs all the way. 297. Bones all the way. 104. Bones all the way and Kings all the way. 209. Raw Dog 209. Shout out. We want pink dogs or blue dogs right now. Pink dog or blue dog. Bones all the way again. 103. Pug. Can't get it all the way. 96, last spin. Can't get it. Can't get it. 62. 1,332x. And that's what we like to see.